Hello students, how are you all? Students, we are doing a chapter cell structure and function, and in the previous video there was the explanation of different component of cells. Now today I will explain you few topics, that is cell membrane, cell wall and cytoplasm. Cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. And what is its composition? It is made up of lipids and proteins. I can show you cell membrane here. This is the structure of cell membrane, internal structure of cell membrane. These are the lipid molecule. You can see here the head and tails are present. These are lipid molecules and we call them phospholipids. They are arranged in two layers when they form the plasma membrane, and in between them and at the peripheral side proteins are present. These are the protein molecules, and at the superficial sides protein molecules are present. So plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Now, what is the function of this plasma membrane? Plasma membrane separates the inner content of the cell from the surrounding. It provides shape to the cell and it allows the movement of material from inside of cell to outside and from outside to the inside. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Why we called it semi-permeable membrane? Because it allows only selective material to move in and to move out of the cell. How these molecules move in and or move out through the plasma membrane, that would be explained in our next video, which I will send today only. Here that in that diffusion and osmosis will be discussed, and with the help of those videos you would be able to understand the transportation of material in and outside of the cell. Now next is the cell wall. What is cell wall? Students, in case of the animal cell, cell membrane is the outermost covering. But in case of some cells, for example, in plant cell, in bacteria cell and in fungal cell, there is additional membrane present, the additional structure present, and that additional structure is known as cell wall. This is cell wall. This is cell wall, and this is the diagram of plant cell. You can see here I have mentioned cell wall. It is present outside the plasma membrane, mean it is additional covering in case of plant cell, bacterial cell and fungal cell outside the plasma membrane. So the composition of cell wall of different cells is different. In case of plant cell, cell wall is made up of cellulose. In case of bacterial cell, it is made up of peptidoglycan, and in case of fungi, the fungal cell is made up of chitin. What is the function of this cell wall in the organism? Cell wall provides shape and strength to the cell, means it provides mechanical strength to the cell, and it protects the cell from variations in temperature, high wind speed and atmospheric pressure. It also helps in protection of organism from the pathogens. Cell wall is rigid, but it is permeable as well. It helps in movement of all the material. It is not selectively permeable, it is permeable. It allows the material easily through it. One more important thing is it prevents the bursting of cell when we place it in a hypotonic solution that you will study when sir will explain you about the transportation in next video. Okay, then is the differences in between cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall is the outermost covering of plant cell, bacterial cell and fungal cell, and cell membrane is the outermost covering of animal cell. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Cell wall is rigid and provides mechanical strength to the cell. Cell membrane, it is thin and flexible. Cell wall is completely permeable, meaning it allows the movement of material easily without any selection. It is semi-permeable membrane. It allows only selective material to move in and out of the cell. Next topic is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Students, in the cell, if we see between the cell membrane and nucleus, there is fluid filled. We generally show it with the dot-like structure. That is the semi-fluid or jelly-like substance present between cell membrane and nucleus. What is the function of this cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the seat of various metabolic reactions. Whatever the reactions takes place in the cell, that actually takes place inside the cytoplasm of the cells. All the cell organelles. For example, you can see, if we show a diagram, I am showing here a diagram of animal cell. You can see between the cell membrane and the nucleus, this is the structure present, that is cytoplasm. And inside the cytoplasm, various cell organelles are present. You can see mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, microfilaments, nucleus. Means everything is lying in the cytoplasm. So, what is the function of cytoplasm? It is the seat of various metabolic reactions. It contains different kind of organelles and which perform their functions, and even whatever the material is there that is stored in the cytoplasm, even the waste of the cell is also present in the cytoplasm part of the cell. So this was all about cell wall, cell membrane and cytoplasm. If you have any problem, you can ask